think I ran out of gas. Okay guys, got the mic hooked up this time. Just rode the 1290 Super Duke R. Did not have the mic set up, but crazy. Trying out the 690 right now. Crazy. Like, okay, they say this is the world's most powerful single cylinder, so we're fixing to find out. Okay, I have to make a direct comparison already. I like the 1290 Super Dukes R seating position and feel of the bike better than this one, but this thing feels like super light. Now the 1290R was surprisingly very light. That shocked me, but this feels it's crazy. Like, what are they doing with these bikes, man? What? Oh, one thing I noticed, I don't know if this is a glitch with these bikes, but the 1290R did the same thing. It'll start showing low fuel when, like, it's just about on E according to this bike, but that's not the case apparently. So there's two bikes in this demo ride that have the same symptoms. First things first, I don't know if you can adjust the display, but it's not in a good position. Like, not at all. Struggling to see it from just regular riding. This by far is the fastest demo ride I've ever been on. Like, KTM guys know what's up. Okay, just like the 1290R, these bikes are super smooth. Like, you would think they would give you vibrations, but the 1290R had 0 vibrations in the pegs, none whatsoever. This bike's a little buzzy, but it's a single cylinder, but still no vibrations. Clutch is light, bike is light. The gear selector and the rear brake lever are lower than what I'm used to, but not bad at all. Man, I cannot see anything on this gauge, man. That's crazy. Like the angle is too steep, and with the sun being where it is in the sky, may as well not even be there right now. And the fun begins. Yeah, man. I definitely got to bookmark this route so I can come back here and ride my bike. I think I ran out of gas. I think I ran out of gas. Yeah.
What?
I think I'm out of gas. See, the Super Duke was doing the same thing, and he told me it was a glitch and it was okay. So I assumed I'm out because it booked on me in that curve. Okay. Yeah, I'm out. Shoot. I should have asked him before I got on it.
It ain't got no gas. Okay. Hey, push it right up through to that driveway, and I'm gonna go get you.
Okay.
I'm gonna pick it up. Okay.
All right. Thank you. Guys, do you guys see this? Ran out of gas. What? I'm riding the Super Duke. Getting back on the 1290R, bro. Hey, look how nice it is out here, though. Even though I'm out of gas, man. I'm in a really nice place. Okay, I'm not dissing y'all KTM, but like I said, this is the second bike I've ridden today. First time I rode KTMs, and the 1290 Super Duke R was doing the same thing. Bike telling me it had no gas, and they was like, no, it's good, man, it's good. This bike did the same thing, so I assumed it was okay, but it's not. Oh, by the way, this is my first time running out of gas on a bike. It's funny. It's funny. I'm not stopping in that gravel. I will tell you that. I'm still having fun though. Okay, let's do this. Couple side shots of the bike, front shot. Dude, I like this. I haven't seen this before. You just got it on the left side. You got the rotor on the left side, not on the right side. That is cool. That is very cool. Great job, KTM. Yeah, but man, this bike's a little buzzy, but it's a single cylinder, like I said before, and but the 1290 Super Duke R, even though I know I'm not on that bike right now, I'm so impressed by it because it feels like dumb super light and no vibrations whatsoever. And that motor just pulls. I think it's what, 175 horsepower and like 100 pound-feet of torque. That thing pulls like no other. Just hopefully they let me ride that to make up for this. So, oh yeah, made it to Moto GP the last weekend. It was pretty cool. Oh, I'll tell you guys about that a little later. Yeah, I had the same issue with the 1290, so they told me it was okay, so I assumed it was just another glitch, but it started bucking on me in that curve. That's when I knew, and right when I came out the curve, I just ran out. Okay, so I just ran out of gas, but you're okay? Yeah, I'm fine. Bike just out of gas. So what did Ben tell you? Did Ben tell you that he's going to go and get somebody to come get yes. Gas? Yeah, he told me. Cool. Yeah. Well, we just finished the ride then. Okay. No problem. You can hold in the back well after we kind of leave the bike, can't we? I'm fine with staying there. That's cool. All right, thanks. Did the bike quit on you? Did it quit? Oh, it ran out of gas. Oh, did it? Yeah. You gonna come back and get some? Yeah. All right. You're good. Not a bad day to be stuck. Like, it's 76, 77 degrees in the North Dallas. Out here in McKinney. Really nice house over here. Like, man. And these back roads are perfect. Like, I'm gonna bookmark this ride so I can come back with some friends and ride this road or this path. Like, nice and curvy. It is gravel, but you know, just take it easy, you'll be okay. And hardly to any traffic. So the KTM guys did a really good job on planning this route. So big thank you to that. But if I had to choose between the 690 and the 1290 Super Duke R, 1290 hands down. Monster bike, hands down. But just don't like this fuel indicating issue. Hey buddy. Hey, what's up? Oh, it's cool. It's cool.
dude. Sorry you had to wait.
No, no problem. No problem.
At least you had a nice tree to sit under.
Yeah.
Or it doesn't have a.
It doesn't have a gas cap.
Doesn't have a gas.
See, I mean, I thought everything was okay because the 1290 Super Duke was doing the same thing. It was telling me it was empty, but it was full. So yeah. Okay. Can I just follow you guys?
Yeah, just follow us. I'll
Okay.
see you way out of here.
All right. Pretty eventful demo ride, I must say. First time this happened to me. Ooh, made it back. KTM Duke 690.